Hi guys, so today I am going to be doing this get ready with me inspired broke college student going out with the girls look, okay? And I'm featuring this beautiful unit that I made using Brazilian curly hair from Aliexpress. They sent me a 18-inch, a 20-inch, and two 22-inch bundles and a 16-inch frontal. I don't have it glued down. I just have it on with a strap, and I put a bit of my contour powder in the part to help it blend in and make it look natural. It is a little bit damp, but I wanted that wet look, so I wet it a little bit to keep it, you know, wet look or whatever. You can use gel if you want to, but I like to just wet it and then spray it, and then it keeps the curls really nice and shiny and together. So if you guys are interested in this beautiful hair that I got from Aliexpress, I'll put the link down below. If you guys are interested in watching my broke college student get ready with me video from day to night video look tutorial, it's more of a get ready with me type video, but I will be talking through it so you guys could see what I'm doing. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look from a neutral look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, rate this video by giving it a thumbs up, or like this video and comment down below. And if you guys are interested in this beautiful hair from Aliexpress, which is their Brazilian curly 16-inch frontal, 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles that is used to make this unit, please check down below in the description box. Alright you guys, to start off this get ready with me, even though I am not going to college, I am not a college student, I am a mother of 3, I'm always tired, and sometimes I eat very strange things. So, kind of almost there. Okay, so I'm gonna use these Noxzema pads to clean off my face. I have been breaking out a lot, especially in the last 24 hours, because my cat Jack has sent my stress levels through the roof because he left the house because one of my kids left the side door open in the garage. So he left and he was missing for 2 nights, and I was just not sleeping. I was awake and just having a mental breakdown. All right, so we're just gonna work with whatever skin I got going on. I didn't even wash my face for 2 days. I'm gonna admit that. I was just not in the mood to be me. I was just stressed out. All right, so as you guys could see, I went in with the Clean and Clear moisturizer, which I really do like, and then I went in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Cocoa, and I'm just gonna pretty much do like spot application or spot concealing using a foundation brush. This brush is from Royal & Lanico. You can get these in Walmart, or you can get them online and use my affiliate coupon code if you choose to do so. Okay. The coupon code is Queenii10. All right, so use that if you like, only if you like. It is an affiliate code. So as you guys could see, I'm pretty much just going in the areas where I have discoloration, you know, like acne marks or acne scarrings and things like that. Then I'm going to go in with my brow pencil from LA Girl, and this one is in darkest brown or darkest black. I think it is. I think it's, oh, black is brown. Black is brown. Sorry about that, you guys. Black is brown. It's kind of hard to keep up with all these different names of the same product sometimes, or the same type of product. But this one is in the blackest brown shade, and I really like it because it matches my brow hairs and my hair roots, my hairline. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this Hard Candy concealer. This is their camouflage concealer, and it's an old concealer I bought a while ago. I'm gonna use this as my primer. Then I'm gonna go in with this Cool Tone shadow. This is a transition shade from this palette that I'm just gonna put on my lid and then just blend it into my crease. For mascara, I'm using the Max Volume mascara from Wet n Wild. This is one of my favorite mascaras from them, and I'm just going to use this to, you know, bring some life to my lashes without them looking overdone. I'm going to go in with a bit of my Airspun powder and set under my eye areas so that I could stay nice and matte, and this will also help lock in my foundation and keep me from getting oily. Alright, you guys, so to add a bit of color to the face without adding it to the eyes, I'm going to go in with a bit of blush. This is called Just Dazzle from LA Girl. And then to contour, I'm going to go in with this powder from LA Girl. This is their Pro Foundation Powder in the shade Cocoa. And I'm just going to use this to lightly contour just to bring some shape to my face. And that's about it. For lips, I'm using a clear gloss just to give my lips some moisturization and a glossy finish. I feel like young girls, you know, I'm 28. I'm still a young girl. Actually, I'm a young lady or a young woman. I like that one better. But as you guys could see, I'm doing a half up, half down style, and I'm using the Main Choice edge control to kind of smooth my hairline because my hair is super oily, it's dirty, it's frizzy, it just got a lot going on. So I just went with this hairstyle just to kind of give it that, you know, high school senior look or college student look. So I hope you guys like this. So now on to the next look. So we're going to continue this look, and I'm now going to go ahead and clean up my brows using my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn. And we pretty much have the same face. I did not change anything and I did not wash off anything. So this is pretty much a look going from day to night. So if you decide to go out, you know, after school or whatever, you can definitely add to your look and give it a bit more of a oomph, you know what I mean? A little bit more dramatic. So I cleaned up under my brows, and I also cleaned up above my brows and filled them in just a tiny bit more. And the top part I'm cleaning it up, with my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Cocoa. And I'm using the foundation brush to do that. Once I have that nice and blended out, I'm going to start working on the eyes. And the palette, if I didn't mention, it's called Rose in the Air. It's a Wet n Wild palette, and it has a lot of matte shades and one shimmer shade. So I'm going to use the warm brick orangey shade and apply this into my transition area. Then I'm going to go in with this shade that's almost like magenta, but it's not that bright and, you know, shocking. The color is not that bright, and apply that into my crease. And then I'm going to apply the only shimmer shade onto the lid. Then I'm going to go in with this cool tone brown shade on the outer V area, bringing it into my crease using a crease brush. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to line my waterline using my LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner in the shade Black. And this is just going to kind of, you know, make our look more of a nighttime look instead of a daytime look. Alright, you guys, it's time for a giveaway. Alright, so please comment down below what major it is that you're studying in college or whatever university you're in. Let me know why it is that I should pick you to win this package. It has a lot of cool IT Cosmetics products in it and a cute little book bag with the Queenii name on it, and it has some goodies inside. You'll get a travel size setting spray from Makeup Forever, and you will be getting some foundation primers also from Makeup Forever. I absolutely love this setting spray, so please let me know why it is that I should pick you. You definitely must be a subscriber of this channel. I do not announce giveaways anymore, so if you watch the video, you'll know there's a giveaway in this video. You have a 72-hour window to enter into the giveaway. All right, good luck. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Fawn and do my highlight and contouring, and then add a bit more foundation on top of the foundation that we had applied earlier, and this is going to give us more of a medium coverage. If you want to do full coverage, you can definitely do that, but I don't see a lot of college students, well, in my opinion, I don't know if you guys do that, but I don't see them, you know, applying super heavy makeup, you know, while they're partying and stuff like that. So that's why I went for a medium coverage and not too much makeup. And, you know, I'm also thinking about, okay, if they're being rushed to leave or whatever, they need to get this done really quickly. The first part of this video took me about 15 minutes. So if you do this in the morning, it will take you about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on what you do, if you go for full coverage foundation or not. And then the second part took me about probably 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, about the same, to just add on. Alright, once I have my concealer and everything blended out, I'm going to go in with my Airspun powder and set under my eye area, my forehead, my chin, my nose, and then go in with the cool tone brown shade and smoke out my lower lashes, and also bring that into my crease and use a blending brush to blend it in so it looks nice and smooth and transitioned and not too harsh.
I'm going to go in with a bit of mascara to my lower lashes once I've dusted away all the powder. Now I'm going to go in with the Eye Vamp lip liner from LA Girl. They have a new line of lip liners that came out. A lot of them start with eye, like eye chocolate. This one is Eye Vamp. And I'm just going to line out my lips and blend it in a bit to give it a vampy look. And then I'm going to go over it with this gorgeous holographic lip gloss from LA Girl. Then I'm going to apply the Vegas Snake Grand Glamour lashes, and then apply a bit of mascara, and then go in with my contour powder. And I'm using the same powder, and this time I'm deepening up my contour. It's in the shade Cocoa, and it's the Pro HD powder from LA Girl. So I'm just going to contour my nose using this powder brush by squeezing it to make it thinner. This kind of gives me control to clean up my nose contour. I'm also going to go and clean up around my mouth area, and then go in with this contour highlight palette from LA Girl, which is more of a highlight, a cream highlight palette than a contour palette. It has like a champagne colored cream highlight and a golden tone cream highlight. Now I'm going to go in with the 50-watt highlight from LA Girl, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on and put it in position and try to fix my baby hairs and get this hair under control. I'm just using a spray bottle to get the curls together. I must say, you know, I did have some shedding with the hair, so I would be very gentle with the way that you comb through the hair. Please use a wide tooth comb. Other than a little bit of shedding, which is pretty much normal. If it's shedding so much that your tracks are getting super thin, then that's not normal, and then contact the company. But I have a bit of shedding. So if you're interested in Ali Julia, I'll have the link down below. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about the products that I use. And I'll see you guys all very soon in another video. Love you guys. Bye.